TCL C805K. 65-inch model. This is my first TCL TV I've ever done. First one I've actually seen as well. It's a mini LED panel with quantum dots. Brightness of 1300 nits. It has Dolby Vision IQ, Dolby Vision, HDR10, IMAX Enhanced Pro, 4K 144Hz, AMD FreeSync Premium Pro, Game Master Pro 2.0. It's got quite decent sound quality as well with Dolby Atmos, awesome on bright stuff. Minimal backlight bleeding I was actually surprised about, so it's got a mini LED array behind it for that zonal backlighting. But anyway, on to the unboxing. Just open the top, see if there's anything heavy. Top of the box, parts of the pedestal base, instruction book and remote pack, pulley out, big bit of foam in front of the screen, more poly, more poly. That is the TV from the front. Some bits of foam on the front just protecting it while it's in the packaging. From the side, and that is it from the back. Remote control and instruction book pack. Kettle lead, UK mains plug, straight kettle plug or IEC mains to the TV. 8 machine screws, I think they're M5 or M6 even. Included a remote control. I'll get a close-up of that in a moment. Instruction book and some of the paperwork there from TCL, quick start guide and the instruction book itself, and some TCL branded AAA batteries. Mute button at the top, power on and off, channel numbers, source or input button, that could be subtitles I think, coloured buttons for what they refer to and so on. Button there looks like it takes you to your profile or account. A microphone or voice command button, it will be Google because it's an Android TV. Settings button to take you to the settings, left, right, up, down and OK. There's sort of rubbery texture to those. Back button, home button, that one says C8 under it, so I think that's the television guide. Volume up and down, channels up and down, list button, so I think channel list. Information for more info, then you've got Quickfire, Netflix, Prime, YouTube, TCL channels, TCL Home and a web search app. Obviously web browser built in. Flip it over, pop the back off, AAA batteries into the back. And I guess that remote will be infrared and Bluetooth as well. Onto the pedestal base. So black sort of grain finished plastic there. You can see we've got threaded holes for our neck of the pedestal to screw to. Also some through holes to help you locate the stand. Underneath, a couple of simple bits of steel there on that plastic. Some rubber feet stuck around so it won't slide around and mark your surface. At least it's a nice and narrow base as well, so that's a bonus. The pedestal neck that connects in between the TV and that pedestal base. I'm guessing this is a cable cover that should come off somehow. There we go. A couple of cast bits of alley there for strength. And again, a bit of black plastic there to give it a nice finish. Got these 3 pegs here to locate into those holes. There we go. And we'll drop our screws into those through holes. Quickly wind those in. Brill, should be nice and secure. Brill. TV now laid on a large flat surface. I'm using the box. I'm just going to zoom in on where the pedestal stand goes. 2 through holes there and 4 threaded holes for our screws to attach to, make it secure. And also, I don't know if they show, but 2 metal pegs there to locate in those holes. Screws in. Quickly wind those in. Well, now I've got the stand attached. Now just point out that is the AC mains input. HDMI's here, I'll get a close-up of those as well. Looking at the connections closely, running down the side, you can see we've got a USB 3, which is quite nice. LAN or wired internet. HDMI 1 is at 4K 144Hz. HDMI 2 is at 4K 120Hz. Aerial or digital terrestrial aerial connection. Satellite connection. Digital optical audio out. HDMI 3 4K at 60Hz. HDMI 4 4K at 60Hz, and that is the enhanced audio return channel. So link your soundbars or AV receivers to that and it will control and send the sound back to your AV receiver. Also, we've got an analog AV adapter, so get the AV adapter for your red, white and yellow composite phono connections. And we've got analog audio or headphone out socket there as well. Now I've got it connected to wired internet aerial mains, and also brought my PS5 in for a play, because strong point on this apparently is gaming. We'll soon see. Onto the home menu. Pictures all on standard. Going to go straight to live TV just to see what normal content looks like. I'll turn the sound up and shut my mouth.
An 8-year-old from London has made chess history after being crowned the best female player at the European Chess Championships in Croatia. She beat an international master, more than 30 years her senior, and then...
She also managed...
Turn my PlayStation on. So Game Master Auto is turned on. So we can have VRR all automatically turn on, game picture mode and game bar. Aiming aid. Oh my god. So you've got aiming aid there. I don't know if that puts a crosshair there if you're playing on COD and stuff like that. Or any other first person shooters. Shadow enhancers menu. I'll leave that for now. Mm. 4K at 120Hz.
I'm running out of time, Elizabeth. The land is dying. I'm walking under a brilliant night sky, through a field of flowers. And when I arrive at the center, I see you, Elizabeth. Waiting for me, even though you've been dead for 1,000 years. You're the closest person I've ever had to a mother.
All eyes on Kylian Mbappe.
Quick look at FIFA.
A sensational performance last time. Will it be more of the same? Saka. And the ball with Pedro Gonçalves. And a change to the scoreline at Anfield. Let's get all the information from Alex Scott.
It's a goal for Leeds. They've scored the opener here with 13 minutes played.
Thank you, Alex. Gonzalo Guedes. Can they forge ahead? They do. And you've got to say they're good.
It's now 1-0 with 23 minutes played.
Alex, thank you very much. And threading it through. It could be for Mbappe. Look at that. A goal here for Arsenal, who now have got themselves on terms. Well, here's the goal again, and it's a really nice ball to put him through. The vision to set up the chance is outstanding, and Mbappe just hits it with such confidence. He strikes it so cleanly. It's a great goal.
Okay, back to the home menu. So quick look across the top there, that's me signed in. For you, movies, TV shows, apps and libraries. So I've signed into the Google account so I can get more apps from their app store, download whatever I want there. What there's recommended for me. Home Alone, bit of YouTube and stuff, so a mix from different providers. Apps we've got installed: Netflix, Prime, ITVX, My5, Disney, YouTube, TCL channel, Apple TV, music. Browse here, that's YouTube music. Browse here, don't know what that is. Quick panel, quick panel. Alright, brings up that at the bottom. Okay, down under continue watching, whatever you've watched on YouTube, top selling movies, popular movies, and you can get a shed load more apps from the App Store, so anything I haven't got there we can add to. That's what I've already got. Apps from other devices, so you can add iPlayer and all that stuff as well. Freeview Play. Freeview Play is quite good because it brings you up the TV guide where you can go backwards in the day. So say it's 11 at night now, you can go back to 10 in the morning and watch This Morning on ITV or Homes Under the Hammer, just selecting it off the TV guide. All four, stuff like that, so plenty of stuff there. What's featured as well and what's recommended for me. So we've even got Now TV there, so if you do your football, all that through Now or Discovery Plus, you can get those there as well. Back to the home again, so recommendations from other sources, whether it be YouTube, Prime, whatever, adventure shows. So all in all, very good TV. I'm quite surprised actually, because it's not the top model. It's about $899 in the UK at the moment for the 65-inch version of this C805K. Dark stuff actually, while it was doing the Google TV setup, didn't see much blooming at all from the backlight, so I was quite impressed with that. Bright stuff looks stunning on, looked really good on that Forbidden West demo I did on the PS5 as well, looked pretty awesome. So yeah, great TV for the money. 65-inch, so they're coming up and about in the UK, and apparently they're #2 in the world and #1 for Google TV TVs, and that is all for now. Goodish.